So as you see, we got the iPhone and let's pop it right in and boom, that was easy. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway folks, in this video we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is Apple's very own clear case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So without further ado, let's get to getting this case out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the box. We've got a picture of the clear case. It says it's for the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it also mentions that it has MagSafe, which you can tell because you can see the magnets right here. So anyway, let's peel off the easy peel tab right there and let's open this up. So nice and easy, and I feel the case. Boom, there it is. So we can pop it out of the box right here. Do we have anything else inside? Yes, we have some paperwork there, and that'll be all. So let's go ahead and put this case on my iPhone 14 Pro Max right here. So as you see, we got the iPhone and let's pop it right in and boom, that was easy. So first impressions wise, this feels just like any other Apple Clear MagSafe case that I've had on my iPhones for a while now. I like to have this particular case on my iPhones when I'm at home with them because it's nice and minimalistic. It's clear so I can still see the beautiful color of the device. And I mean, overall, I just feel like it's a good, simple case. So let's test out the MagSafe on this case. Obviously, it's an Apple case. I know it's going to work, but we can go ahead and do it anyway. And voila, now it is charging with this MagSafe charging puck right here. And now, if that's not good enough for you guys, let's charge it with Apple's smart battery. So MagSafe battery pack, iPhone 14 Pro Max, and let's put them together. And voila, as you can see, the dynamic island up here expands to say charging, and you can see the battery pack is full and the iPhone's at about 75% charge. So we can just let it rest here. Let's go to that always on display. Voila, there that is, and here is what it looks like. Folks, we can also do a quick walk around of this case. So over here we got the volume buttons, actual buttons on the case for them. We got a cutout for the mute switch. Over here we got a button for the side button, and over here a pretty big cutout for the speaker array down here, as well as the lightning port. And other than that, folks, there's really not much more to say about this case. It's really just a simple, straight to the point, minimalistic case. And if you want it for yourselves, folks, it will set you back about $50. But if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 14 Pro Max case and you want to look around at other options, be sure to check out my playlist of all the different iPhone 14 Pro Max case videos that I've made on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.